Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking about how we're going to get rid of this green, it's bacteria, and we do not want it in our tanks. It's not good for the fish and not good for the ecosystem in the tank. So how do you get rid of it, and how can you prevent it from happening again? So that's what I'm going to be explaining in this. So we, a couple of weeks ago, had this green stuff. You can only see it a little bit now because we've stopped it and cleared it all out. But we had it and it was getting over the top. So we had a look how to stop it. And we had, when it was outside this tank, it was quite still because this was the only pump we had in it, and it likes still stagnant water. So, and the plants were dying off as well. So we bought this new filter pump thing, whatever you want to call it. So the current comes out. Oh, the camera's going to blurry. The current comes out here. And then, why has it gone so blurry? Hang on, a few moments later. There we go, we're back in business. Right, so that comes a strong water current out of there, then flows down here, and a water current comes out of here. So it doesn't like fast moving water, so that should prevent it. You can also do what they did in World War II, can have a blackout of the tank. So you can even put a cloth over, but it's not very nice for the fish, or just generally turn the lights off. And it likes sunlight. It needs sunlight to grow, like all plants do, but it especially needs it because it's some sort of weird bacteria with a Latin name that I definitely cannot pronounce. So if you want to know how to stop it, then basically just buy a better pump and hope for the best, really. And do what they did in World War II. So if you've enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. What's Bacon doing now? What are you doing? What are you doing? Honestly, he's like sausage. See you.